the bubble who didn't pop. In a bubbly bathtub filled with splish-splash sounds, a shiny little bubble was born. His name was Bubu. Bubu wasn't just any bubble. He could giggle, twirl, and glow with rainbow colors. All the other bubbles said, "Pop, pop, pop." But Bubu? He didn't pop. He floated up past the rubber ducky, past the shower curtain, out the bathroom window. He floated above a cat. The cat looked up and said, "Meow." He danced over a flower garden. The petals waved like tiny hands. He floated past a baby in a stroller. "Look, Mama, a shiny bubble," the baby giggled. Bubu sparkled brighter. He loved spreading smiles. Then the wind whispered gently, "Time to rest, little bubble." Bubu gave one last happy twirl and softly went, "Pop!" But something magical happened. Sparkles shimmered in the air. The cat purred. The baby giggled again. The flowers kept dancing. And wherever Bubu had floated, a little joy stayed behind forever.